Hello, Brahman. Today we're going to see how to do this. How to create a dot mystery mosaic color number page using chaincolorByNumber.com. This is Master Mashai. It's very easy and gives really good results. And you can make any kind of book, like a color by number book. For example, pages like this. There are many pages. Out of those 5, today we'll only see how to make a dot mystery mosaic like this. First, we need to collect our image. To collect an image, we can go to Pinterest. I've already chosen an image. You can use any image you like, but if you pick a good image, you'll get better results. Then what will we do? We'll remove the background from it. To remove the background, we'll use Canva. In Canva, we'll upload the image. I brought it here. After bringing it in, what we did was enable the background remover option. You can use any free background remover tool. There are plenty of free tools available that make it very easy to remove backgrounds. I'm making this match a bit bigger. Okay, now I'm going to download it. I went to share. Check the box for download transparent. I'm going to download this as my current image too. Okay, it's downloaded. After it's downloaded, I'll go straight to zencolornumber.com. The link to this website will be given in the comment box or in the description. From here, you'll get 5 free credits at first. With those 5 credits, you can check it out or try a trial. Here, you can create a lot of shapes, color by number, like an angle, triangle, and so on. LF jagon, polygon, round circle, then organic, organic line art, image details, monochrome female polygon, diamond break, octagon. Everything is available here at a very low price. First, what we did was upload the image here, the image with the pen. There's no background in the without background option, right? And the size has become 1 o'clock. So in this way, we have to resize and download the images so that we can get the exact ratio. We need to make sure we get the correct size for each image. Now, what did we do? After going to the export settings, from here, we'll remove the branding copy and rate text, because if we don't remove it, it will become the branding copy and rate text wherever it is. What will we do? First, we remove the branding copyright text. After that, we'll increase the cell size a bit from here. Now, there's the rectangle. Since we're going to make it dotted, we'll set it to round grid. After applying that, we're pretty much getting our shape. Now for the background, we'll set the color to black. Let's export the background color, remove the default, and set it to black. It's looking really nice. See, if we want, we can change the color of these dots. We can customize them however we like. If we need to add black color to the eye here, just drag it in. If we drop it on a black dot, it will automatically turn black. The color will change, and the number will change as well. From here, you can change the dots. And this is the color mode. If we want, we can now see the numbers in this way. Here, a color palette will be provided. If you want, you can rename this color palette. Here, there's black, and here it is. Indigo, jade, brown, dark slate. You can change the color if you want. You can change the color there using a color code and give it a name. Here, you can also set the color code number you want. Set it however you like. After that, you can download from here. The download process is, first, we will download the color legend. Inch, centimeter, PDF. Right now, I'm showing it in PNG format. This is my color legend. Here, it comes with the color code. If we want, we can get it without the color code. If we use the hide color code option in the legend, then the code will be hidden. The code is now hidden. Now, if we just download the legend, there won't be any color code here. Only the legend will be downloaded. If you do it in SVG, the background will also be included in the download. And this is the number mode color mode. After we download the number mode color mode from here, we can remove this input color legend. Once we remove it, after the color legend is gone from here, we can choose any format from the color mode 3 o'clock formats and download it in any format we want. This is the color mode. Very nice. Wow. And then comes this. This is the color without color. By looking at it, users will decide which color to use with which one. The users will do the coloring. So that's it for today's video. If anyone wants to do the masking easily, you can try using this general color or this number. It gives really good output, and the credit price is comparatively much lower. 500 credits are only $40. 500 credits for $40, as mentioned here. With this, you can upload PNG transparents, but if you take this, you won't be able to dot again. It's for PNG transfer. Here, it'll only support the page.